forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 subs. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the Petrol Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. I'm joined by Scalo.
How's it, my brother?
Without PK payday.
How's you fast? Impatele di tsule moya. Na mintse a thola ra o minye.
Abale.
O tshwana le Grotman mo wa bona le ena re a thaba. O minye ifanda. Oh, so coming to today's team, I don't really have a man of the match. I've got the momish of the match. Our coach today, Peterson, they really failed. We played without the 9. And then the coach again, his decisions, they were questionable.
Which one?
The way we're playing and his substitution, like Peel is controlling the game, you are taking him out. Why don't you give him the confidence to look for the second goal? It really costed us, my brother.
Big time.
Peterson is our captain. We were knocked out of M10-8 because of his mistake. He repeated the very same mistake. It's like it's not learning. So for me, I will pledge and plead and ask for them to take him to Ashapoke Moyanyana.
TDC.
I take a bench. I want a game. I want for him. Remember, for him to be a captain is because of we're trying to make him have confidence to improve from the mistakes that he was making. There are games that he costed for us last season. So we are going back there again. It's like we are doing one step forward, 2 steps backward. So for the kind of team Kaizer Chiefs is, remember we are a very big team. We are number 1.
The biggest.
We are dangerous.
The biggest.
So we being the dangerous team. We being the dangerous team, and then we have a goalkeeper who will cost us. It's a problem.
Yeah, big problem. Yeah.
So
big problem. Yeah.
They must correct that.
Yeah, he should.
A dangerous team like Chiefs cannot be conceding soft goals like that.
Yeah.
And to show, we no longer want to play the Betway Premiership. Champions League, my brother.
UEFA. Smaller. Timenola. Kaizer Chiefs Football Club. UEFA Champions League.
Kaizer Chiefs, my brother. There's no league here. We came here. Let me show you that we don't have anything. We played against a team that has got 2 stars. What did they do? Nothing. They won the Champions League, but they came here. They did nothing. They should thank Peterson that they can talk. So there's no league. There's no challenge for us. If they want to test how dangerous we are, let Chipa United be substituted tomorrow, and then they bring us to play Paris. My brother.